Yes, we are live. Welcome back, my dear friends. This is episode number 114 on the Zero Point Healing Show. And today I have with me a fantastic, my most recent, I have become a beautiful kind of a friend and a partner with Aradhana is my guest for today. And guess what? It is access consciousness that we are going to talk about. And that's the tool, that's the modality for today. And that's why I'm laughing and smiling. And you're going to see me in this kind of bubbly energy every time there is an access consciousness facilitator on the show. So, with that, just a short intro about me. I am Vishnu Priya and I am how do I define? I had been doing different holistic healing modalities, training and learning and certifying, and I'd been using all of these modalities in my profession as a holistic healing practitioner now. But I come from a totally different background. I had been coming from engineering and then doing my MBA, being in the totally, corporate world, and then jumping off to the holistic healing world all of a sudden through the events and things that was happening in my life. Anyways, long short story short, I am here and I am now the founder of the zeropointhealing.com, which is a web directory that I've created for this beautiful holistic healing world. It consists of so many different holistic healing modalities. At this time, there is about 60 to 65 different modalities that is registered in the web directory. So when I got started with this directory, I just knew about like 5 to 6 different modalities. And I was imagining, oh, it would be nice if I can have all of these 6 modalities in one umbrella. And then, to my surprise, every day, more than the practitioners, it was more modalities that kind of appeared in front of me. And this interview show I run so I can kind of interview and get to know as well as explore these different modalities and what it can do to humanity. So, this is a short intro about what I am and what Zero Point Healing is. If you are a holistic healing practitioner yourself in access consciousness or in any different modalities that you're practicing, I would love to invite you to the zeropointhealing.com. You can register for free, as well as if you would love to do this kind of an interview with me, you can kind of message me for that as well. If you are a client, meaning looking for solutions for your challenges of your life, then I would love to invite you to zeropointhealing.com as well. You can explore, you can discover different modalities. And for me personally, all of these different modalities, I have tried at least 10 to 15 different modalities and what it can open up. And to my surprise, every single practitioner that I've worked with, every single modality that I've worked with, opened me to new possibilities in my life. So today I have let go of all my judgments about modalities and I'm like, oh, this new modality, what can it open to me in my life? So there we go. I am now moving on to my beautiful guest here. Welcome, Aradhana. It's my absolute pleasure and delight to have you on my show today. So tell us a little bit about yourself. You might have to unmute yourself.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Vishnu Priya. Thank you for this space again, and thank you for inviting me. And yes, it's a pleasure to be having a word with you around Be the Change, on Be the Change page, and what else is possible.
Absolutely. So tell us
So,
first of all about a little bit about yourself and your background and how you ended up in this holistic healing world. I think you have like about 10 years or so experience now, or maybe more.
yeah, it's almost 8 to 10 years. Yeah,
Great.
for holistic. Yeah. It's like funny. I think I was born with it, though I never acknowledged it. And I've also been into a lot of technical world. I've grown up in a village, and coming up and wanted to be how a village girl would be and a parents would be, that a girl should be traveling the world, should be like married in a nice place, well educated, and I have a doctor family background. I wanted to be a doctor, but I guess over the period of time I've become a different kind of a doctor, though I'm a doctor in a different way. So yeah, so coming up from there, I'm an international I'm completed my international business marketing. So from Maastricht, and here, which I've forgotten by the time I have gone into holistic, and I've worked in for media for almost 10 to 14 years. I think it's 12 to 14 years, you might say, that I did. And one fine day, I just wanted to sit home, and I was like, what am I doing for? Because I just wanted to have fun. And I acknowledged that there's nothing that I have to learn, and I've actually created everything in my life. And I'm here to have fun, joy, and that was my purpose of my life. And while on that journey, I was like, I'm sure, because everybody was talking around the purpose. So I was like, I used to ask my friend Guru Nanak Ji, who I've grown up with. So I always had his picture in my room. I was like, is it? Is that all, that I'm only born to have 7-star holidays and partying and stuff? Everybody says there is some work that they're here for. So tell me, what work am I here for? So my curiosity was just that, and we had a spiritual channel. So I came across through that channel a lot of people who were in from different modalities, and it always intrigued me. I was like, why would anybody be have to do all this to be part of what they are? Like, water has to really work hard to be in the ocean, or to be called part of ocean was weird to me. But yeah, then I've started looking at the world, and everybody used to say enlightenment, moksha, and I was like, no, I want to be in the world. I love to be in the world. And I remember my sister telling me, you only think about the partying. You only want to have fun all the time. It's not about fun all the time. So really, I think it's about the fun. Oh, you have to get serious, which is like last thing that I can ever get. So I started looking for it, and I think I was just sitting and I was saying no to every modality, because I was like, I cannot follow anybody. I just follow me. Or I mean, I talk to Guru Nanak Ji as my friend, but I follow me. So when I came across Access, it was very instant, and it never made anything wrong about me. It didn't say I have to stop partying. It never said you can't drink, you can't smoke, you can't, party hard, you can do anything and nothing is wrong. That really intrigued me into it. I'm like, they're talking my language. So, that's how I got into it. And my friend introduced me, and I got this bars run, which is a 32 points where the Access starts with. And so I got my bars run, and it felt very nice, very light. And I think almost for 3 days, Vishnu, I was kind of sleeping, I was relaxed, I was mindless. It was beautiful. Honestly, only I had no issue as such to get to a holistic world. I was searching for me, so which got me to the holistic world. So I really don't have a painful story to tell that I got into holistic world for, and everybody's like, whatever keeps you happy. But I said, everything keeps me happy. Like, it's not that I'm unhappy that I'm in this world. So is it, and that's when I discovered that only people who are unhappy, they join holistic world. Everybody who used to meet me, oh, whatever keeps you happy. I said, really? And that used to really bug me. I was like, okay, fine, whatever keeps me happy. Yeah, that's how I got it. And then I think my friend who started running my bars once a week gave me, she used to give me the tools and to go on search. And then I started looking for those tools. I said, okay, let me search it on the net. And then when I was searching on the net about Access, I came across Dr. Dane Heer. And then I kind of got flat on him, and I'm like, oh, I have to meet this man. And I watched throughout all his videos, and I used to listen to every day to him, and he would say, I would meet you one day in person. And like, I'm surely going to meet you one day in person. And I kind of asked if he's ever coming to India. And I think that was the same year he was coming to India. And to meet him, my friend could not organize a personal session. Probably I had to. And she said, you have to study so much. I said, well, I've studied so much to meet this man, I'll study whatever I have to do. And in fact, my family, my son, my husband used to say, are you in love with this guy? I said, I really don't care what love means, but I have to meet this person, that's for sure. And so here goes this short story like that. I actually did courses, and I said, okay, if I can study that, let me study whatever it is. I'm not becoming a facilitator. I just want to study to meet him, whatever prerequisites are required. So to do the prerequisite, when I went there, I really enjoyed. I had and it was like you and me talking right now. And I'm like, oh, this is fun. And for me, that became my new shopping. So I was shopaholic, and so my husband said, "This has become Aradhana's new shopping," and I started shopping, sitting in everybody's class, going paying, and I'm like, "Oh, that much I can pay. Sure, let me just sit." So it was a nice weekend out, 4 days out, 5 days out, and having fun with new people, and it started intriguing me. And then, of course, I met Dr. Dane in 2014, and for energy synthesis of being class in Mumbai, and that's for the first time I think I first thought of like, what am I doing? What is he doing? I really don't get what he's doing. But I was like, after the end of the class, I was kind of hooked onto that whole thing. And then and now, it's been almost 7, 8 years. I've never been looked back. And it has totally, totally changed my life. That is
Wow.
what my story is of.
Beautiful story. And for the first time, I'm hearing no pain in the story.
Yeah, I mean, pain is a very, very interesting point of view. And it is funny, right, Vishnu, that everybody kept saying me for years, you laugh so much. I'm sure you have a deep pain in your side. And I actually used to look in myself, do I really have deep pain in me? I never figured out what deep pain was. Of this reality, honestly, I really didn't have any pain. I didn't find any particular reason to get into this. I just got it because I could, and because I was searching for me, and I was searching for a purpose to be in onto this planet.
Wow.
So
I think that brings
very
us to the be the change topic itself. And now it is even clearer why be the change has become your kind of second name. So tell us
yeah.
about be the change and what does that mean to you?
Yeah, so while I was in these classes and stuff, like for 2 years, I think I was just galaing time. I was meeting people, traveling the world, and having fun, and acknowledging. And then over the period of time, 2 years, 3 years, I think I'd kind of like, what do, why do everybody know something and I know nothing? Like, people touch somebody, they know everything. I don't touch, I don't know anything about anybody. And that's when I remember asking the founder of Access, Gary Douglas, this question in one of the classes that, I don't know if anybody wants to be partnering with me on for the bars or the swaps, because I don't tell anybody anything. I don't come to know what happened to you, what not happened to you, or what. And he would say, silly twit. This is what people have to reach. No point of view. And so you're already there. I said, oh, I don't have to think anything. He's like, no. I said, very good. That is amazing because I don't think I have a brain. So I was very happy. And then over the period, I was like acknowledging. And then I started seeing that, oh, acknowledgement is what I have to be. And I didn't feel any big change in my life that I should really, really acknowledge. But then I started with a glass of water. I was like, oh, I got a glass of water. Okay, thank you. I created it. And that's how little magic started and happening. And my only quest I always had to was for magic, Priya. And I wanted to know what magic is. And over the period of doing this class, and by the time I became a facilitator, I never became a facilitator to actually facilitate anybody. I wanted to facilitate myself and wanted to know, what are they saying? How do you facilitate yourself? So I wanted to see, I was intrigued by it. And in that class, got up on the seat. I'm like, hey, Gary, now I got it. Oh, I am the magic. So you mean magic is within me. And that was like first time I acknowledged. And after my first maestro, I acknowledged that, wow, nobody ever asked me. And I was waiting in somewhere deep down in my world to be asked, what do I know? So it was like a big thing for me to like, oh, people want to know what I know. And I can say out loud what I know. So until then, I was like so quiet, so contracted in my world that I only have to follow discipline. And I was a very disciplined girl. My mother would show an eye, and I will stand or I'll sit and do everything what she'll say. And I didn't know that I can just follow my heart. So, and I always felt that I'm dumb. And I think being fool is the biggest gift. And being dumb is the biggest gift. And because my sister was super intelligent. And I used to say, I'm studying only for 15 days. So I'm getting that many marks. And if she's studying for the whole year and she's getting 100, doesn't really bother me. So I was like, good. And so when I got into Access, there were a lot of clearing statements, and how you have to formulate statements. And I would look at people, how are they formulating the statement? and I felt that I don't know English. I was like, God. And my sister just learned it one day and she's like making big, big statements. And I'm like, how do you do that? I mean, we studied in the same school, but I don't get it. So I realized that I'm a very, very simple girl and I need very small words, 2 letter word, 3 letter word, at most very simple English. And I said, okay, I'll start forming my sweet, cute questions. What is this? What do I know? What is, and I was like, only I know my answer. Nobody knows my answer. So I just thought of sharing this thing with people in the world. I said, okay, if I am that, maybe there are few people like me who don't really, really get that typical words and they just want to question. And when you will question, from those questions, I started kind of finding me. And I got that, oh, the answers are within me. There's nobody. And I always believe there's my answers nobody can give me. So that's how I started with the change page, the WhatsApp group. Like, I think I don't even remember when I started, 2016 or 17. And I started posting that one question, and everybody started following, and they would ask me, and I was like, "What do you know?" And it became like, "Don't." It's not fun to ask on Radna's group because she will not answer us. She'll ask us, "What do you know?" So my whole idea was to bring the change that you know is possible, bring out and say out loud. Maybe you sound the weirdest person on the planet and in the whole group, and people might laugh. Still do not give up. Be you. And that is what world requires. And after I think I just kept going on. And then there was a time when people would like meet, oh, you are a Radna Tiwari who's doing the Be the Change. I'm on your group. I'm like, oh, really? It was so nice. And I think Be the Change formulated itself and here on, and it invites the world, invites everybody with those little sweet, cute questions every morning, one-liners, 2 words, 3 words, that come on, uh, introspect yourself and find your own awareness and bring it in the world. What do you know?
Wow, and what a beautiful question to ask. What do you know? Because I feel in my world, it has been always looking forward to somebody else, like, whether it's our school system or you go to a job and then you have your manager who tells you what you need to do and what you need to learn. Everywhere, I think the system itself is all about we looking up to somebody else, looking for answers outside of ourselves. And
Yeah,
then all of a sudden when you ask the question, what do you know, it's like, oh, do I even know it?
exactly. Exactly. That's what kind of I was like, I kind of known with. And people who have been knowing me for years, they know Aradhana will, don't ask Aradhana to say what you know. But this is amazing because I have met so many people outside Access and from like Buddhism and all that backgrounds, and in Dharamsala also I was visiting, and monks and all. And I actually, they were talking and sharing about their Buddhist teachings and blah, blah, blah. And I would smile and I would then ask them, I said, yeah, I get that. I get your whole conversation. Okay, after all this conversation, where did you put it, formulate it, and what did you know about it, and what do you know about it? And they were like, wow, we never thought that. I say, yeah, but that is what you are here for, to share what you know. And that's Be the Change. Come on, be it, be the change, and bring that change in the on the planet, man. So this is it is like my total desire. It's such a desire from deep within me that, and it's amazing that how Be the Change is taking its shape and structure, how the book came, how it's formed its own identity, and and it's coming up with its yearly programs and stuff, which is like, I have no idea how they're coming. I just know they're coming, and there's an entity which is guiding me to be with it. And it's now the time for everybody of you to come share your gifts rather than asking and looking onto and copying anybody. Don't be cheaters. Come on. Be you.
Wow. So now let's quickly move into the beautiful exercise that you have for us. So, my dear viewers, it's not
Yeah.
just listening, we also have a little bit of doing here. So let's get
Yeah.
started, with
All
the.
right. So yeah, so I'll be doing a little small symphony session for all of who's listening now or in future to this call. So, which is like, everybody has to put their barriers down. Barriers is what you're thinking, where you're judging. I know, I don't know. Don't get it in. Just say barriers down. or whatever Aradhana says. Just barriers down. And barriers is like take your hands and take your everything down until your feet and keep going doing this. You can sense that sensations and it goes and expand yourself. And to expand, you just have to say expand. You have to do nothing, guys. You have to just say expand. It works. So expand, 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 and relax. Relax. And everything that does not allow you guys to today receive the gift that you are on this planet for, would you let that go today? Everything that doesn't allow that, can we today together destroy and uncreate and frack the insanity of anything and everything that stops for you to be you at the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now expand, 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 and receive the gift of this universe right now. And choose to receive that gift of yours, which is hiding deep down in you, which you did not have the courage until today to bring it up. Whether you are vilified, whether you're judged, whether you kill, could you today demand of yourself to bring it on? Bring it up, bring it up, and bring it on. Be willing to be, and be willing to be seen, whosoever, whatsoever you are. And everything that doesn't allow, destroy, and get all right and wrong, good and bad, pot, pock, all leisure, boys and beyonds. So keep putting your barriers down, keep relaxing, 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 and go to that one molecule. Just have to say, I'm going to that molecule, which is stopping me to be me, which is stopping me to share my gift to the world today. So just energetically ask your being to go to that molecule and let's turn that molecule into the possibilities, the miracle that you truly be at 180 degree, 180 degree, 180 degree, shift, 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 shift the molecules. Yes, all together. Let's shift, 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 shift for everybody on the planet today. Wonder what magic can we be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, and 7. Thank you and hope you receive it and so hope you enjoy you. You are a gift on this planet, guys. Each one of you is a beautiful gift. Nobody is less, nobody is more. Come on, bring it up and be the change in the world.
Wow. How much magic can you create in just 2 minutes? My goodness.
Thank you for receiving, guys. It's not me. It's not me. It's someone else. It's the universal energies which showing up. It's the ask of you all. Thank you.
Wow, wow, wow. That was amazing. Okay, I have forgotten my script, by the way.
How does it get any better? And
Too
what
much,
else is possible?
too much magic on my face, and I'm like, who am I now?
And I'm happy, guys. So, also just wanted to say Vishnu has joined my Be the Change team, and I'm very grateful for her to joining on. And just wanted to welcome her aboard with my team.
Yes, and how did I get so lucky? I'm like, wow. I've so for a very, very long time I had been this independent, do it all kind of a person, and I've been asking the universe, how can I be different now? I'm tired of living the same, all in one package for a very long time now. How can I be something different in this world now? And what other maybe magic and uniqueness that I have in me that I can bring forth when I start working with a team. And even before me completing it, here comes the opportunity right in my face. And I was like, okay, I am going for this. And that's how I got to be. And just recently, we started off this beautiful Be the Change kind of a 1 year program, as Aradhana was explaining. She has been doing this kind of a maybe shorter versions of that in a different format, but now moving forward in 2021 we are looking forward to launch this beautiful 1 year Be the Change program. So if you are interested, you can contact any one of us and it makes sense, and you can contact Aradhana directly as well. Okay, so Aradhana, tell us now a short summary of all other services, classes, and everything else that you're providing for your clients.
Yes, so I'm an Access Consciousness Certified Facilitator. So I'm doing the foundation, the starting class bars, foundation. I am a Being You facilitator, and I was a Conscious Parents, Conscious Kids facilitator in the past, and the Right Voice facilitator. I'm renewing my Conscious Parents, Conscious Kids because this is calling for me again. So I herefore have chosen to be again being the Conscious Parents, Conscious Kids facilitator. And I guess, and talk to entities. I love entities. That's the favorite topic in the world because I myself is an entity and I love talking to everything and anything. So these are the classes I do. And of course, Be the Change Taster. The programs have started and we're coming for 3 months, 6 months, and a 1 year facilitator trainings where you'll be the walking, talking maestros of your life, the gifts that you are on the planet. It's like a handheld a 1 year program where I just support you and my whole team will support you to kind of bring your gifts and create your gift in the world as you, if you do, it's just that, we're just standing there as gift to each other, as a support to each other to bring your gifts in the world. So that is my desire. So that is another program. And also another beautiful classes that I do is money workbooks from Access. Those are my favorite books, and I think I have learned so much. They are like Gita or Vedas or something for me. They have like really opened my world to a very different reality. So that is another very favorite class of me. So, and yes, there's nothing that I don't do. I have been a relationship coach as well, and I'm very much talking about love on Friday because it's a Valentine's Day, and and I come on an Insta live every morning at 11:11. Be the Change by Aradhana. That's the handle, and you can always get in touch with me. And there's a link tree bio into the bio of the Insta page or on this page, and you can join us for more information.
Yes,
Thank
that's
you.
so beautiful. And it's like so many different things in all one. And I can, so Aradhana and me was just talking and she was telling me, okay, I came to the system morning 9 and I'm still sitting in the system, it's evening 9. And now we can see why you have so
Yes,
many.
please. Yes, but I love it. I never feel I'm working. For me, this is joy, sitting here, starting at 9 and still sitting here since morning. But I really don't feel tired. And it's just like, then I don't want to be like on the media or on the phones. And I'm like, done. And I'm so happy, relaxed. And I think I get contributed with so much, which is like, this is joy for me. So joy brings in everything for me.
Yes, how does it get any better than that? All right,
Thank
so my dear viewers, I hope you enjoyed the show and you can click on the link right below and you can contact Aradhana directly. It also shows all of her classes and all of those beautiful stuff that's coming in. Specifically, both of us, I think, are looking forward to the 1 year BTC Be the Change program that is going to be launched very soon. If at all that interests you, you can contact Aradhana for that as well. And did we discuss the 10% off discount coupon? Is there any? I'm not sure. Maybe you noticed it.
you.
We are
I didn't
discussing live.
notice that.
All right. So,
Whatever.
anyways,
Whatever.
we will skip
Vishnu will
that
take all of
option.
that. Yeah.
We will skip that option or whatever. You can just, whenever you're contacting Aradhana, you can let her know that you found her from Zero Point Healing and she might have some beautiful gifts for you if you do tell her that. I keep that open. Usually we have like a 10% off discount coupon that we say is 0 point for specific maybe classes. But anyways, we will keep that as a special gift for you when you contact her, my dear viewers. And if you love the show and if you know that if there is somebody else who is going to be benefited out of this, I invite you to share this video as well to as many people as possible. And thank you so much for your contribution. I see that zeropointhealing.com has been so much supported by the viewers, so thank you all so much. Thank you, Aradhana. Any final
Thank you,
words?
Vishnu. Thank you. Thank you. Keep it up. Never give in. Never quit. Never give up. So just be the change and bring it on, guys. That's my really, real request. You have a gift and bring it on. Thank you.
Thank you, my dear.
Thanks.
All right, my dear viewers, gonna see you next time. Bye bye.